6 Amazing Benefits of Black Fungus. There are many impressive benefits of black fungus, including its positive effects on blood circulation, heart health, and chronic disease, among others. 1. Blood circulation. Black fungus is known for its extremely high iron content and is a popular remedy for relieving symptoms of anemia. It is rich in iron, protein, vitamins, and polysaccharides. The terpenoids in this fungus are thought to help allergy sufferers by preventing antigen activity. 2. Inflammation. The high polysaccharide content in these types of mushrooms has several medical benefits. It prevents inflammation, particularly in mucous tissue, and inhibits a key enzyme responsible for Alzheimer's disease. 3. Heart health. Polysaccharides found in this type of fungus can lower blood cholesterol and triglycerides. They also inhibit platelet clumping, acting as an anticoagulant, which regulates blood viscosity and reduces the risk of heart disease or stroke. This fungus is used to provide relief from hypertension, blood clots, and thrombosis. 4. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin B2 in black fungus acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from free radicals and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It also has a beneficial effect on physical stress and supports a healthy immune system. 5. Detoxify the body. This fungus is a detoxifier often paired with foods that might have slight toxic qualities to reduce the impact of pesticides or heavy metal residue. This type of fungus is thought to pull impurities from the lungs and digestive system, as well as counteract the effects of radiation and chemotherapy. 6. Weight loss. The pectin and dietary fiber in this culinary fungus are thought to help prevent obesity and encourage weight loss by discouraging fat absorption. Side effects. Black fungus should be consumed with caution if you have the following health conditions. Blood clotting. Patients who are on medications for blood disorders should not take black fungus, as it may prevent clotting. Stop taking black fungus at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Pregnancy. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should not use this fungus in any form, as it can have potentially negative effects on the baby. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share this with your friends and family.